All right, Rye, you ready for this today?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do today is Rye asked me if I could teach him how to change the oil.
No, I didn't.
Start over. Ready, take. Okay. All right, so Rye and I are going to change the oil in the Raptor today. You ready for this?
Yeah.
So I asked Rye if he wanted to change the oil in the truck. He said, yeah, let's do it. So I said, well, this will be a good teaching moment. How old are you this year?
7.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take and put AMSOIL 5W20 and an oil filter, and I'm going to show you how to do this and talk you through how to do it.
Is this for the BMW?
Yeah, that's all for the BMW. This, we might put an air filter in it too, and we'll talk about what that's all about. So step 1.
Wash the car. That's dirty.
Yeah, we need to wash this thing for Mama.
We washed it like not too long ago.
All right, so do you know how to open up the hood? We got to open up the hood first.
What's that?
So
This
it's
thing?
right here. No, come on, man. The hood is the thing up front. We got to get to the engine. That's where the oil is. So pull this lever right here. So pull this out. Okay, let go. So now it's open. Hoods always have a special latch. This whole thing here, this is the hood is what covers the engine, right?
Okay.
Open, so you can't open it up. And so there's always, if you look under here, see this little thing here? There's a latch. And you have to push this latch. See that latch? So push it over.
Where?
It's right here, this black thing.
Which way?
Where my finger is, so push
Down?
it that way.
Oh.
So when you push that, that allows us to lift it up, okay? So that's a safety. So that if you ever opened your hood and you were driving down the road, it wouldn't fly open. We gotta clean this thing up.
Let me see.
It's kind of dirty. Let's get you a step stool. This is the motor, right? So this is what the
Dirty.
so this is what makes the truck move. So in the motor, there are parts, metal parts, and they move and they touch each other.
Is that duct tape?
No, this is electrical tape. So in the motor, let's pay attention here. In the motor, there are things that move, right? There are parts that move, and they move really fast. And so oil is what keeps it lubricated, so that it doesn't.
I know. I read books about this.
Okay. So what we need to do is you need to change it every so often. And so this is how you check the oil. This is called a dipstick. So when we're going to change it, when we change the oil, we've got to take this thing out. See how it has this line right there?
Where? Oh yeah.
See the little check marks in the line? That's how you know that there's enough oil. So let's say if it was all the way down here, then you know that we don't have enough oil in the truck. You'd have to put more in it. So this is how you check it. It's called a dipstick. And then,
What are we gonna put more?
well, we're going to dump all the oil out that's in it, and we're going to put new in. Because you have to change it out, because it gets worn out. And then this is the cap.
And you dump it in.
Yeah. So we pull this off. And then each car, like my Porsche, has different oil than this car. Has a different type of oil or different weight. It's different thickness. So this one, you always know because it tells you right here, it says 5W20. That's the type of oil that it takes. So now we got to go underneath the truck. You ready for this?
Yeah, I don't want to get dripped oil on. I've only chased the lizard under here.
Come on, slide under. Turn on your back like this. See this right here? This is where the oil comes out. So you're going to have to move over that way. But you see it? The oil's going to fly out of here, so you want to make sure you're not in the way. See how this has a 17 on it? That's the size. 17 is too big. What size does that say?
16.
Okay. So that means that's the size that we need to take this bolt off.
I'm scared.
Bolt.
Like, how fast is it gonna shoot out?
You'll see.
Okay. Oh, that's. What is that? What is that?
Hand me that paper towel.
What is that thing right there? Is that
The
oil?
bolt. Yeah.
All
right.
Holy crap! It looks like it's just a straight line. I want to see if that's actually oil. I don't believe
Here,
that.
look at my hand.
I want to see if that's oil.
Don't touch it. I'll show it to you when it's done. So now we have to let that drain for a while. Let it all drain out.
That's weird.
Now this time we got to take the filter off. So see this white thing right there?
What? No.
That white thing?
yeah.
We gotta unscrew that. So normally I just put it on by hand. So see this little spout here? The oil's gonna run out of there. Okay, so here comes the oil, ready?
Yeah.
So this is the filter. This is what gets any dirt or anything. See? It catches any dirt or any junk like that. It's in the motor, any metal or any parts. So we'll let that drain out. Now come inside here. Let me show you what we gotta do. See, this is the air filter. This is where the air comes in. How's that look? Does that look dirty? Think we should change it? That's real dirty, huh? So I got a new one. This is a K&N filter. Here, can you put this in for me?
Someone just dropped.
I'll hold it up. You put this in. See if you can slide it in. It's a little floppy, huh? There we go. Does that look good? There we go. We got a nice new fresh air filter. Looks like we need to get some more coolant too. Doesn't that look low?
Stayed in bed longer.
All right, so let's put our filter back on. So first, we want to keep everything nice and clean up here, right? So we're gonna wipe it out. Getting bored?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're almost done. You're gonna have to help me put this bolt back in here, okay?
No.
Sure is a good thing you don't have a YouTube channel because you wouldn't be able to do it.
Why?
Because you're quitting and we haven't even finished the job yet. Doing YouTube videos is a lot of hard work.
No, it's
All right,
It's tiring.
come on under here.
But this isn't a fun YouTube.
Come on in here.
This isn't fun.
Okay, you have to watch your head. Go to the side. Go to the side of this thing. There you go. See it?
Mm-hmm.
You go.
Which
Don't
way?
drop it.
Which way?
Just put it in there. Like this. Okay, let me just get it started for you, then you can twist it. Okay, now twist it in there.
Tight?
Yep.
Look good?
All right, where's my tool? Move your legs.
Whoops.
Okay.
My hair's that messy. You know the camera's still up, so it really can't see us, right?
Right. You can't see us, but you can hear us. We wipe off the oil. Clean.
Is our job done?
All we have to do is dump it in the top, which I think you'll like that part. Okay, come on out.
Pull me out.
Yeah. Yeah. We're getting all dirty. We dumped all the oil out, right? And now we've got to put the oil back in, new fresh oil. Here, wipe your hand off. Got oil all over it. So it takes 7 of these. So we take this funnel, put it in here.
Oh.
I'm going to dump it in real slowly.
Okay.
See how slow I'm dumping it?
Mm-hmm.
If you go too fast, then it'll dump everywhere. So you got to make sure you do it slowly and don't miss. If you miss, it can get real bad.
That good?
Don't miss. Tilt it up. Good job.
There.
Now turn it upside down and it'll drip in there. So just lay it in there.
Like that?
Yep. Sit it in there.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Don't let it drip anywhere. Okay, let's get another one. No, not in the garbage. We need this to put the oil back in, the old oil.
Oh.
Be real careful. If you dump it all over the place, it's real bad, so don't do that.
What would happen?
Well, it makes a huge mess. You see how these match up, Rye?
Mm-hmm.
See this? The 5W20, 5W20, 5W20. That makes sense?
Mm-hmm. Can I do one whole bottle?
Oh, shoot. You think you can do it?
Yep.
Don't spill it, though. Be real diligent. Think you can do this?
Mm-hmm.
Careful. 2 hands. Oh, boy.
Oh, no. Oh. Okay.
You want me to do it? Oh, shoot. Careful. You got it? Careful, not too much.
I know I'm ready. Oh.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Hold it. Did it spill?
No, I don't know. No, I don't think so.
I don't see it dripping on the ground yet. Nope, we're good.
Phew.
We almost messed it up.
Mm-hmm.
How many is that? How many do we do? 4. This is number 5. You gotta be careful, watch your drips. This is a critical step. We don't wanna get any drips anywhere. Take that one back and bring me a new one. Shoot, I just spilled it.
Ah, I'm not dumb, Dad. It's hard.
Uh-oh, got a little drip. Is that the last one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you took the top off, good job. Okay, so we put 7 quarts in. Last couple of steps. We gotta put our dipstick back in. So see that hole up there?
Where? Yep.
This goes back in there. And what we'll have to do is we'll have to start the truck up, let it run a little bit, and then we'll turn the truck off, let it sit for a little bit, and then we'll pull the dipstick out and make sure we put in the right amount of oil, and we have to check that level. Okay, can you put this cap back on?
Where?
Right here.
Twist it which way? Right?
Yep, you get it?
Tight?
Oh, that's upside down. Flip it around.
Twist it that way.
So here, put it on like this. Now turn it.
Oh.
Yeah, tight, real tight. Muscle it. Ready?
It's hard because right here.
When your thumb's jacked up.
Mm-hmm.
So last step we gotta do, we gotta reset the light.
What light?
I'll show you. Let's go wash our hands first.
Okay.
So put the key in.
Where does the key go?
Goes right here.
Oh, that's hard to see.
Turn it 2 clicks. Turn it another one. Hey, see this thing in the center? So we're gonna go settings, and we're gonna go vehicle, and then we're gonna go oil reset. So now you need to hold this button down and watch this thing.
Which one?
Use your finger.
Okay.
Okay, look at the screen. Hit it once.
Okay. Okay.
Yep. But you see, so you have to hold it and watch that thing. Hold, 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 boom. 100%. Okay, so now it's reset. So now the car will sense when it's time to change the oil again. Cool?
Yep.
So that's the job. Job done. Give me
Okay.
some. Boom. All right, Rye.
I hit it so hard.
Say peace out. Say stay tuned for more crazy.
Nope.
Oh, stay tuned for more crazy.
Nope. Bye.
Because what happens when the force pulls you back, your foot naturally comes off the gas. You have to keep your foot to the floor, foot to the floor.